Hey guys, I'm Fiddle and Danto, and I wanted to record this video to show you guys part one of our tank drive series. Today I'm gonna be going over how we download the software that we're gonna use. First thing you should have is a personal computer or laptop. You shouldn't be using your school Chromebook, but anyways, let's just dive into it. What you want to do is search up WPILib documentation and click on the docs. Now you're gonna see all these extensions on the left, but right now we just want to get the software. In order to download the software, you need to go to install step 2, installing your software, and you'll see this saying WPILib installation guide. You're gonna click on that. Make sure you have Windows 10 or 11 and you meet these requirements, and you're gonna see here a big blue button. It's saying, oh, download for Windows 2.5 gigabytes. You better have 2.5 gigabytes and some decently fast internet, because when I'm gonna click on this, it's probably say an hour, but you know, that's besides the point. Saying 30 minutes, so yeah, it's about 40 minutes. You know, I'm gonna just do a speed run through this. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah. Yeah, listen, good luck editing this, bro.
No, this is gold,
No.
bro.
Alright, we're back, and it seems like it downloaded. You're gonna open it anyway, and you're gonna get all of the files right here. You're just gonna double click on this one. Now, Windows is trying to protect your PC. You see, just run it anyway, you know? You're gonna see this right here. Once you get to this point here, press start, have everything. Install for the user, download for this computer, let it do its thing. Once that's done, you're gonna go press on next, and it's gonna install a bunch of other things. This is why I highly recommend checking your storage before doing any of this and your internet. But yeah, now it's in finish installing. You're gonna press finish. Now you should, if you pull up search of WPILib here, this should pop up. So you're gonna press open on that, and voila. So it's not gonna look exactly like this. The reason why it looks like this for me is because I've had past projects on WPILib, but it's probably gonna look more like this for you guys. So now we're gonna get into setting up a project in Visual Studio using the WPILib template. So since we're trying to do a simple tank drive system, we could use a template already provided for us by WPILib in order to do that. So you're gonna press this icon on the top right and press on create a new project. Select the project template. Select the language, Java. Right now we're just gonna use command robot. Select the new project folder. You can make a new folder by yourself. I just like to select my C drive. You can name the project tank drive template team number 569. That's our team number. Enable desktop support and press generate project. You could press current window. Let's just do yes for that. And now you are basically all set up. So when you go into your subsystems and everything, you're gonna have all your classes laid around here. I'll give you the general gist of it. Robot container, example subsystem. This is where we're gonna be party coding the drive subsystem. Constants are stuff like speed constants of motors, speeds we want to dial in for motors. Main.java is just a main class made by Java. Every Java program has this. Robot.java, it even tells you what it's mostly doing inside the template. These comments could help you understand what a part of the code does. In the next video, we're gonna dig more into what each of these classes do specifically. Thanks for listening in, and that was part one of the Tank Drive series.